Hi, this is Munir Ahmad. I'm from Lattice Semiconductor. What you are showing as a demonstration today is next generation of Intel CPU, which is Birch Stream, and a motherboard reference design here. As you can see, this is called Intel Lincoln City reference architecture or Intel Lincoln City motherboard. And we do have 6 Lattice FPGA in this particular system. As you can see here, you have 1 FPGA for fan control board. You have 1 HPM FPGA. You also have 2 FPGA for NVMe, hot plug, surprise removal, surprise insertion control. You have 2 FPGA on the SCM board. And you can see it here. This is this particular Lincoln City server that I'm showing here. If I go page by page to show the different purpose of it, the fan control board, the one Lattice FPGA, it is doing the PWM or fan control. Typically, fan control is done by BMC, but fan firmware is typically a neglected firmware. There is a huge possibility that somebody can hack in the fan firmware and make the server hostage or denial of service for the server system. So in this particular case, we're using a Lattice XO3D security chip to do both fan PWM as well as firmware authentication and having a trusted firmware that can run the fan. If I go to the next one, next slide, this is for HPM. Typically, Lattice HPM does power sequencing of the CPUs and various other control functions. And you can see it here. This is the Lattice FPGA. So far, you have 2 Lattice FPGA content in this particular one. And if you go a bit more, this is 2 FPGA that we are showing here for NVMe, hot plug, hot reinsertion, surprise removal scenario. NVMe is typically a PCI protocol. PCI protocol doesn't support hot removal or hot plugging or any kind of surprise removal. And typically in a data center, you do have NVMe drives that anybody can remove or insert, and that can be a blue screen of death for the server. So to avoid that kind of situation, we have 2 Lattice FPGA that does the hot plug support, surprise removal support. And then if you go to the next one, here's 2 more FPGA that we have. This is SCM module or secure control module. This is based on DC MHA server platform. And as you can see, we're showing 2 here. One is Mach-NX that's doing this Platform Firmware Resiliency, or this is basically the security that verifies the BIOS and BMC firmware, and it authenticates as well as protects, detects, and recovers. And then you also have another FPGA here. This is for basically for LTPI. This is how we communicate between HPM and SCM. So in a total, if you look at this particular reference architecture, you have total Lattice FPGA in this particular motherboard. Thank you.